The word uncertainty seems to be the IMF's favourite word this year. US-China trade war, global tariffs, they're all creating a lack of predictability. And in its 168-page World Economic Outlook report, the word uncertainty appears 102 times. IMF officials on Tuesday outlined how tariff shocks have already impacted economies, but not by as much as they predicted earlier this year. That said, they also warned those tariff effects could get worse, leading to weaker growth, weaker labour markets, and increased inflation. The US, the IMF noted, is already feeling those effects from policies put in place by the US president himself. South Africa is predicted to see 1.1% growth this year. That's a modest increase compared to July's forecast, a bump up of 0.1%. It's also more than double 2024's overall growth, which was 0.5%. And further good news, the IMF forecasts that South Africa will see continued growth in 2026. As for sub-Saharan Africa, the IMF sees overall growth for the region at 4.1% this year, the same as last year. And looking further afield, and this is where those ever-changing tariff policies make it harder to predict the future, the IMF says any continuation of trade wars will lead to prolonged uncertainty, more protectionism, and labour market shocks. As for global stock markets, the IMF's annual Global Financial Stability Report looked at how recent resiliency might give way to asset prices falling suddenly and sharply. Changing investor expectations about AI could trigger re-evaluations about worth, while growing government debt and the growth of stablecoins could, the IMF said, spread stress. Nick Harper, SABC News, Washington.